Welcome 8th class students. Today we are going to study lesson number 8, quadrilateral constructions and types. Students, in previous year you have studied how to construct the triangle. In any quadrilateral there are 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. So there are 10 elements of each quadrilateral. We can construct a quadrilateral if we know the measures of some specific 5 elements out of 10. And if we know the construction of a triangle, we can easily construct quadrilateral. So constructions of triangles are the basis of constructions of quadrilaterals. Now today we are going to study 4 types of constructions of quadrilateral and solve the examples in practice set 8.1. Construction number 1 is to construct a quadrilateral if the lengths of 4 sides and diagonals is given. Now let's solve question number 4 from practice set 8.1. Question number 4 is construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length of LM is equal to length of LO is equal to 6 cm, length of ON is equal to length of NM is equal to 4.5 cm and length of OM is equal to 7.5 cm. At first draw the rough figure by using a scale and using the information given in the example. In the example, length of LM is equal to length of MN is equal to 6 cm. Length of LM is equal to length of LO is equal to 6 cm is given. Now length of ON is equal to length of NM 4.5 cm is given, and the diagonal, this is diagonal, length of OM 7.5 cm is here given. So in this quadrilateral we have the lengths of 4 sides 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, and we have to construct the quadrilateral LMNO. So we have to draw at first the rough figure in this way. Now let's start to construct this quadrilateral. Now length of MN is equal to 4.5 cm. So draw a segment of 4.5 cm by using a scale. Now we have to draw this triangle. Due to this OM diagonal, the quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles, triangle MNO and triangle MLO. At first we have to draw this triangle and then this triangle. In order to draw this triangle, take NO distance, that is 4.5 cm, put compass on N and draw one arc. Then take distance MO, that is 7.5 in a compass, put compass on point M and draw this arc. So we get the point O and we can draw this triangle. This is you have studied in the previous class. Now take 4.5 cm distance in a compass by using a scale, 4.5 cm. Now put compass on point N and draw one arc here. Now take distance 7.5 cm in a compass 7.5 centimeter in a compass. Now put compass at point OM and draw the another arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs is this point O. Now join ON and also join OM. Thus, triangle MNO is constructed. Now we have to construct this triangle. So we take distance AML in a compass, put compass on point M and draw arc here. Now we take a distance 6 centimeter in a compass, put compass on point O and draw another arc intersecting the first arc, and the point of intersection we get point L there. Now take distance 6.5 distance 6 centimeter in a compass. This is 6 centimeter. Now put compass on point M and draw arc here in this way. Put compass at point O and draw the another arc intersecting first arc. So this point is the point of intersection of this arc. This point is this L. Now join LM also join LO. Now write the measures of length LM 6 centimeter, length MN 4.5 centimeter, length NO 4.5 centimeter, length LO 6 centimeter. In this way we have drawn the quadrilateral LMNO by using the information given in the example. Number 2. To construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Now let's solve question number 2 from practice set 8.1. Question number 2 is construct quadrilateral DEFG such that length of DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, length of EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter, length of DG is equal to 5.5 centimeter, length of DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, length of EG is equal to 7.8 centimeter. So this is the construction if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. 3 sides of quadrilateral and 2 diagonals are given here. So we have to draw the rough figure at first using the information given in the example. Now in the example we have given length of DE 4.5 centimeter, length of EF 6.5 centimeter, then length of DG 5.5 centimeter, length of DF is one diagonal 7.2 centimeter, and length of EG the another diagonal 7.8 centimeter. Now we have to construct the two triangles here. We have to construct triangle DEF at first, and then we have to construct the triangle DEG here. Now let's solve this example. At first, draw EF having a length 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to construct triangle DEF. So take 4.5 centimeter distance in a compass. Put compass on point E and make one arc here. Then take distance 7.2 in centimeter in a compass. Put compass on point M and make the another arc intersecting the first arc here. Their point of intersection will get point D. Now take 4.5 centimeter distance in a compass. 4.5 centimeter, that is D, length of D. Put compass on point E and draw the arc here. Now take distance 7.2 centimeter in a compass. 7.2. Put compass on a point F and draw the arc intersecting the first arc, and that point of intersection here is point D. Now join DF also join DE. In this way, thus we have constructed triangle DEF. Now we have to construct triangle DEG. Now take distance 5.5 centimeter in a compass. 5.5. Put compass on point D and draw one arc in this way. Put compass on point D and draw the arc. Now take distance 7.8 centimeter in a compass. 7.8. This is 7.8. Put compass on point E and draw the another arc in this way. Now this point of intersection is this point G. Join G up. Also join GD. Now indicate the lengths of sides. DE 4.5 centimeter, EF 6.5 centimeter, DG 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw this diagonal also. and length of this diagonal EG is 7.8 centimeter and length of DF 7.2 centimeter. In this way we have drawn the quadrilateral DEFG by using the given information. Number 3. Construct a quadrilateral if two adjacent sides and any three angles are given. Question number 3 from practice set 8.1. In quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter, length of BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree, measure of angle B is equal to 50 degree, measure of angle C is equal to 140 degree. In this example, we have given two adjacent sides and any three angles. At first, we have to draw the rough figure. Here is a rough figure. Now, in this we have given length of AB 6.4 centimeter, length of BC 4.8 centimeter, and then angle A 70 degree, angle B 50 degree, and angle C 140 degree. This is rough figure. Now let's construct this quadrilateral. Now at first draw BC of length 4.8 centimeter. So we have drawn BC, segment BC of 4.8 centimeter. Now this angle B is a 50 degree and distance BA is given 6.4 centimeter. Now this angle, draw this angle 50 degree by using protractor. This angle is 50 degree. Draw the line in this way, and this angle is a 50 degree we have drawn here. Now length AB is 6.4 centimeter. So take 6.4 centimeter distance in a compass. Put compass at point B. Draw the arc in this way. Now this point we get, now point A here. This is point A. We get this point A. Now this angle A is a 70 degree. So by using protractor, draw the angle of 70 degree, put protractor. In this way, start to measure in this direction 70 degree. Inner scale, use inner scale. Here we get point. Draw this line in this way. Now this angle is 140 degree. Now by using protractor, draw the angle of 140 degree. 140 degree. Draw this line also. Now this angle is 70 degree and this angle is 140 degree, and this point of intersection is point D. Now length of AB 6.4 centimeter. In this way we have constructed quadrilateral ABCD. Now question number 1, practice set 8.1. In quadrilateral MORE, length of MO is equal to 5.8 centimeter, length of OR is equal to 4.4 centimeter, measure of angle M is equal to 58 degree, measure of angle O is equal to 105 degree, measure of angle R is equal to 90 degree. Therefore in this example also two adjacent sides of quadrilateral are given and any three angles are given. At first draw the rough figure. So quadrilateral MORE is a rough figure in which length of MO is 5.8 centimeter, length of OR 4.4 centimeter, that is two adjacent sides are given. And now measure of angle M 58 degree, measure of angle O 105 degree, and this measure of angle R is a 90 degree. Now let's construct this quadrilateral. Now at first draw the segment OR of length 4.4 centimeter. Now this angle is 105 degree. So by using protractor, draw an angle of 105 degree, 105 degree. Use the inner scale. Now this angle 105 degree. Draw this line in this way. Now we have given MO 5.8 centimeter. So take distance 5.8 centimeter in a compass. Put compass at point O. Draw the arc. We get this point. Now point M. This point is point M. Now by using a protractor, draw the angle 58 degree. So put protractor at point M, matching the line MO as shown, and draw 58 degree use inner scale. This will be 55, 56, 57. Here will be 58 degree. Now draw this line. Draw this line. Now by using protractor we have to draw this angle. Now this is the angle 90 degree. Draw this line. So this is point of intersection of these two lines is point E. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 58 degree. This angle is 105 degree. Length of MO 5.8 centimeter. Length of OR 4.4 centimeter. In this way we have drawn quadrilateral MORE. Now students, there is one more type of construction of quadrilateral is remaining. To construct a quadrilateral, if 3 sides and 2 angles included by them are given. So here is one example. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length of QR 5 cm, length of RS 6.2 cm, length of SP 4 cm, measure of angle R 62 degree and measure of angle S 75 degree. This is all example in your textbook. Now let's see. In quadrilateral PQRS we have given length of QR, this length 5 cm, length of RS 6.2 cm, length of SP 4 cm. So angle R 62 degree and measure of angle S 75 degree. Therefore here 3 sides of a quadrilateral are given. 1, 2, 3 sides are given and 2 angles included by them. So angle 75 degree is included by these 2 sides and angle 62 degree is included by these 2 sides. So angles included by the sides, 2 angles included by the sides are given and 3 sides are given, and we have to construct this quadrilateral. So at first draw the segment QR of length 5 cm. Now this angle is given 62 degree. Therefore we have to draw angle R 62 degree by using protractor. So this angle will be 62 degree. Here is 60 and then 2 lines, that is 62 degree. Now draw this line. Now length RS is given 6.2 centimeter. So in a compass take distance 6.2 centimeter. Six and two lines, 6.2 centimeter. Put compass at point R, draw the arc. So we get this point S. This is S point. Now this angle is a 75 degree. So by using protractor, draw the angle 75 degree. Set the protractor in this way, matching the line RS and putting this center at point S. Use the outer scale and measure 75 degree. 70 complete and then 5 lines. This is 75. Now draw this line. Draw this line. Now SP is a 4 centimeter. So in a compass, take 4 centimeter distance. Put compass on point S and draw this arc. Now this point will be point P. Now join points PQ. Now length of QR 5 centimeter. This angle R 62 degree. Length of RS 6.2 centimeter. This angle 75 degree. Angle S. SP 4 centimeter. Thus we have drawn quadrilateral PQRS.